For the past couple of months, I've been building this stone wall, and I want to show you how I used a simple water level to keep the whole top of it nice and flat. If you're interested in seeing how I built the stone walls, I've got 2 videos covering my first and second year, and I'll be rolling out year 3 soon. Most water levels, and the one I'm using, are clear plastic tubes that you can thread on the end of a garden hose. That way you can make them any length you want. Here I'm fixing one end at the top of the stone wall that I'm going to be using as my reference point. And then I'm going to run water through the hose until it runs clear and there are no more air bubbles in the line. Once the water runs clear, I'll connect my second clear tube so I can use that as my second reference point. In this video, I'm connecting it to a steel tamper. That way I can move it around and check different points along the stone wall. Then I can slowly add water, bringing it up to the level of my reference point. I'll let the water settle for a few minutes, and then I can transfer the marks over to the stone wall using a conventional level. Unfortunately, I've got a stone that's a little high, so I'm going to rework it with a cold chisel, and then I'll be good to go.
Alright, perfect. So I took a gamble with this stone when I set it. I eyeballed it. So I kind of stood way back and I looked at both ends of the stone wall that I had set. And as it turns out, I eyeballed it a little bit wrong. Fortunately, only by about an inch. And I was able to cold chisel that off. So this is now my new reference mark. It is perfectly level with the other end my water level is on. And the mark I put in the tree earlier this year, because this is the second time I've had the water level out. Wanted to get both ends set and then kind of double check where I was, but very happy. I have a new top of the wall about halfway across. I'm going to grab one more point while I got the water level set up, but it is pretty easy to use, and I'd encourage you to get one if you don't have it. It makes simple DIY projects easy without spending a lot on laser levels.